Hello everyone. Hope all of you are fine. I'm Shivali Sood, your EVS subject teacher. Let's continue this chapter 10, What is Cooking? Video lecture 2. Let's begin with the page number 64. We do not cook all the things that we eat. Find out which things we eat raw and which ones we cook before eating. Which are the things we eat both cooked and raw. Before filling this table, I must tell you about the raw food and cooked food. Food that we can eat either be raw or cooked. Food that is raw is fresh and does not go through any process. Food that are cooked are made by mixing many ingredients together. The ingredients are mixed and heated by different methods. Now, what are ingredients? Ingredients are the individual food items that are combined to make a new dish. For example, rice grains, water, salt. These three ingredients are mixed and the food is cooked. Let's fill this page. We do not cook all the things that we eat. Find out which things we can eat raw and which one we cook before eating. Which are the things we eat both cooked and raw? So now we will fill these tables. Things are eaten raw: fruits, nuts, edible seeds, carrot, tomato. Things that are eaten cooked: pulses, vegetables. Things that are eaten both raw and cooked: carrot, tomato. Move on to the next page. Have you seen a chapati being made in the kitchen or anywhere else? There are so many things to be done for this. Taking out flour in a utensil, kneading it into a dough, making small balls of the dough, rolling out the balls, and then cooking it on fire. After all this, the chapati reaches your plate after so much of effort. Here you can see the same steps in the pictures. This is a flour which has been kneaded into dough, and then make a small balls and roll out the balls and then cook it on fire. This is how the chapati is made, and it is a very difficult process. Go to the kitchen and observe something being cooked. What was done to cook it? Write the sequence. Sequence is the list of steps in correct order. So don't forget to write the name of the item being cooked. Name of the item: rice. Wash a bowl of rice grains with clean water. Take 2 glasses of water in a wok. Put rice grains in the wok. Boil it on stove until the grains are cooked. Now next students, our topic is different methods of cooking. You have seen that food items are cooked in a variety of ways. Some are baked and some are fried. Some are roasted and some are steamed. So next we will do in the next video different methods of cooking. So you will learn more about the different ways how the food has been cooked. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.